644 Jumbled Sage Ct. So those are power lines, just pointing it out. And there's extra parking here and a little walkway. So, it's not exactly a shared driveway, but for all intents and purposes, it pretty much is. So you drive in here. If you're doing the extra parking, then you keep going straight. Otherwise, you turn into this area where there's no parking, and you come up to the property. Sorry. So there's no wooden frame that needs to be maintained around the garage, which is nice. There definitely needs to be a landscaping cleanup, remove the weeds. We do that on pretty much every property. So we need to replace these with the appropriate locks. Remove that. Replace all of these with 2.5-inch forward blinds. This is laminate flooring, and it's tile at the entry. Little crack there, or chip. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there's just some areas where it doesn't look so clean. Maybe it needs to be repainted. This wall as well. It's a property manager's call. One thing that I will point out that I noticed is the high ceilings. Makes the house feel larger. Upgraded ceiling fan there. So here, the laminate doesn't look so good here. It looks a little bit DIY there. And you can't see it on the video, but there is a slight bulge there. That's very small. I didn't notice it the first time I was walking through the property. But I'm just pointing out it's not the best laminate job. So definitely need a landscape cleanup. Replace these windows as well. Get a security bar, because right now they're using those. Quartz counters look beautiful. These cabinets have been painted, so things like this will happen over time. You'll see more and more of them. It will have to be repainted eventually. But we do have a stainless steel microwave and stainless steel appliances, a little bit of black on the range. Really beautiful undermount sink, but we would probably want a gooseneck faucet. Some of that paint from the black cabinets carried over to the wall. So it's nice to have the raised panel doors, sorry. Little linen closet, or coat closet, sorry. And sellers sometimes leave behind items, so I'll assume a junking fee, just to be safe. I want to rekey all the doors. Upgraded fixtures and a towel bar. Oh, and little marks here and there. I think this could, I don't know if these marks will come off during janitorial, if it needs to be repainted. Sorry. Need a blind here. Pretty straightforward. Upgraded fan. This needs to be replaced with a non-locking doorknob. For some reason, we actually have 2.5-inch forward blinds here. It's the only window that I noticed. that has it. We need to replace this one as well. And laminate here. We like tile in wet areas. About $5 a square foot. $1 and about a half for Hardy Backer. One's on the second floor, which this is. Need a blind there. This tub is great because it's one piece, so we don't need the grouting. This is a different door handle than that one. We need to stretch the carpet. This is a safety issue. It needs to be done. Replace that blind. Fam looks great. It's really nice to have extra living space. Families will love it. That's one wide window, so that's a wide blind. Stretch the carpet here. Laminate again. Okay, so not all the door handles match. This is back to that antique bronze-like color.